Imagine hitting the open road, but instead of a massive gas-guzzling RV, you're cruising in something compact, efficient, and incredibly unique. A Camper Tricycle RV. This isn't just another tiny home on wheels. It's a revolutionary way to experience travel, freedom, and adventure, all packed into an ultra-compact, three-wheeled machine. It's not just about getting from one place to another. It's about embracing a lifestyle of mobility like never before. At first glance, a Camper Tricycle RV might seem like an unusual choice for a road trip, but once you step inside, you'll realize just how well thought out this little home on wheels really is. Designed for solo adventurers, couples, or even those looking for a minimalist escape, this machine maximizes every inch of space to provide comfort without the bulk. Think about it. No need to worry about parking in tight spots, no stressful maneuvering in crowded cities, and no sky-high fuel costs. Its efficiency meets adventure. The real magic happens when you step inside. The interior may be compact, but it's designed with precision and intelligence. A cozy bed that folds away during the day, a small but functional kitchenette, and even clever storage solutions that make the most of every nook and cranny. Some models even feature solar panels to keep your power supply running off the grid. Imagine setting up camp wherever you please, whether it's a lakeside retreat, a quiet mountain pass, or a hidden forest trail, all with just a three-wheeled camper. But let's talk about what really makes this vehicle stand out: the experience. Unlike traditional RVs, which can be cumbersome and difficult to drive, a Camper Tricycle RV gives you the agility and freedom of a motorcycle, with the added benefit of a compact living space. You're not confined to highways or campgrounds. You can explore the unbeaten paths, navigate narrow roads, and get closer to nature than ever before. It's the ultimate way to embrace slow travel and immerse yourself in the world around you. And if you're wondering about the technical side, yes, this tricycle camper is built to be both practical and reliable. Many models run on fuel-efficient engines, and some are even electric, making them an eco-friendly choice for those who want to travel sustainably. The lightweight frame means better mileage, and because it's a trike, it offers more stability than a traditional motorcycle while still being easier to handle than a full-sized RV. It's the best of both worlds. For those who love the idea of van life but don't want the high cost, maintenance, or size that comes with it, a Camper Tricycle RV is the perfect alternative. Whether you're an urban explorer weaving through city streets or a nature lover venturing deep into remote landscapes, this unique vehicle gives you the best of both worlds. Freedom and convenience. Picture yourself waking up to the sound of birds chirping, unzipping a tiny side window, and looking out to see a breathtaking view of the ocean or mountains. You step outside, stretch, and start your morning coffee right from your built-in mini kitchen. No rent, no hotel fees, no hassle. Just you, the road, and the endless possibilities ahead. And it's not just for long road trips. Imagine using it for weekend getaways, last-minute adventures, or even as a mobile office. With the growing trend of remote work, a Camper Tricycle RV could be the ultimate solution for digital nomads who want to combine work and travel without sacrificing comfort. Set up your workspace in a new location every day, enjoy nature during your breaks, and never feel tied down again. For those who love customization, the options are endless. Want an extra fold-out sleeping area? Done. Need a mini fridge or an outdoor cooking setup? No problem. Some adventurers even turn their camper trikes into fully equipped mobile homes with Wi-Fi, entertainment systems, and even heating for those chilly nights. You can design your Camper Tricycle RV to match your exact travel style. And let's not forget the cost factor. Traditional RVs can be expensive, not just to buy, but also to maintain. Insurance, fuel, and storage fees add up quickly. But with a Camper Tricycle RV, you get the travel experience without the heavy price tag. It's one of the most budget-friendly ways to see the world, whether you're crossing entire countries or just exploring your local surroundings. The future of travel is changing, and smaller, smarter, and more efficient vehicles are leading the way. Camper Tricycle RVs are part of that movement, offering an entirely new way to explore without limits. They prove that you don't need a massive vehicle to live a big adventure, you just need the right one. So the question is, where would you take yours? Whether it's the towering peaks of the Rockies, the winding coastline of California, or a hidden village in the countryside, your journey is only limited by your imagination. The world is waiting, and with a Camper Tricycle RV you can see it all, on your own terms, at your own pace, and without the restrictions of traditional travel. If you've ever dreamed of hitting the road, of finding those hidden gems that only the most adventurous discover, of waking up to a new view every day, then maybe it's time to consider something different. Maybe it's time to rethink what travel really means. Maybe it's time to trade 4 wheels for 3, to go smaller so you can experience something bigger. Because sometimes the best journeys aren't about how much you carry, but how free you feel along the way.